His Excellency Ambassador J. Eduardo Malaya, the Philippine Ambassador to Malaysia, Tan Sri Bashir Ahmad, good friend of Malaysia Airports Berhad, and to all the members of the Malaysian travel community gathered here today and members of Malaysian media, our honored guests, good evening to everyone. Salamat datang. So on behalf of Philippine Airlines, we are honored and pleased to welcome you all to this dinner reception, marking the full comeback of Philippine Airlines to Asia's dynamic super city, Kuala Lumpur. This day is a special one for PAL. It was made more memorable for us by the warm welcome that was accorded our group today when we arrived on flight PR 517 after touching down at KLIA. Thank you to everyone for the famous Malaysian hospitality that you extended to all of us. Thank you indeed. Now, though this event is billed as an inaugural flight to Kuala Lumpur, we have to emphasize that this is not the first time PAL has been serving your city. We are actually old friends, as Philippine Airlines first flew to KL 36 years ago on April 7, 1977. And for several years now, PAL has been offering services to Malaysia through our long-standing codeshare partnership with Malaysia Airlines. However, in the hope of further stimulating tourism and air travel between the Philippines and Malaysia, we decided to take the next decisive step to upgrade our operation in 2012 when PAL Express began flying from KL to Manila with 3 weekly Airbus A320 flights every Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday, offering attractive budget fares and promotions. And finally today, we have deepened our investment and commitment by introducing the mainline Philippine Airlines service with 4 times weekly KL Manila flights using our Airbus A319 aircraft, offering both our Mabuhay business class cabin and our full-service Fiesta economy class product every Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. And this completes the progression to a full daily service where PAL and PAL Express can now take you to the capital city of the Philippines 7 days per week with convenient noontime departures from KLIA. And so today marks the beginning of a new and vibrant phase in our relationship with the great state of Malaysia and its wonderful people. And we hope to build that in coming years by working hard to win the trust and patronage of the Malaysian travelers and indeed your travel community. And we hope to do so by offering attractive travel promotions and reliable service with an extra touch of Philippine flair and Filipino hospitality. So we are hoping to take Philippine Airlines into a more exciting future of greater opportunity and growth. Just 2 days ago, PAL took delivery of our latest Boeing 777 300ER long-range aircraft, making non-stop flights possible to faraway destinations. And in the third quarter of 2013, we expect to receive our first brand new Airbus A330 and A321 aircraft from a total order of 64 airplanes to be delivered in coming years. And thus the launching of our route to KL is only the first of a series of new routes that will help broaden our access to more markets worldwide. In June, we will start flying to Perth, Brisbane, and Darwin in Australia, joining Sydney and Melbourne in our network. In July, we welcome Guangzhou in China as our newest destination, in addition to Beijing, Shanghai, and Xiamen. And then our next frontier is the Middle East. In October and November, we will resume flights to Abu Dhabi, Dubai, and Doha. And Riyadh and Jeddah and Dammam will follow in time for the December holiday season. And it was said that PAL is known to be the first Asian airline to cross the Pacific Ocean. Well, that was more than half a century ago. Today, we offer 32 flights per week to Los Angeles, San Francisco, Toronto, Vancouver, Honolulu, and Guam. And we hope to expand in 2014 to New York City and to other North American gateways. And we hope to follow these with flights to Europe, with the UK, France, and Italy in our sites, and likewise add more routes to Japan where we currently serve Tokyo, Nagoya, Osaka, and Fukuoka. And so, our friends, we hope that our message to all the people of Malaysia and our customers here is clear. Just as you gave us a very exuberant and warm welcome at KLIA today, we hope to be able to welcome you to fly on PAL's growing fleet of jets to the Philippines, to visit not just Manila, but also many of our 32 other Philippine holiday and business destinations, from the Batanes Islands in the north to Davao in the south, from the historic heartland of Cebu to the fabled islands of Palawan. And after all, we only have 7,000 islands in the Philippines that we can choose from. And however, we also hope that you will choose to fly beyond Manila to our other destinations in the US, in Canada, Australia, and Northeast Asia. So we do look forward to working together with all of you in the Malaysian travel community to make our KL Manila service a true success, yielding a great harvest in terms of increased tourism, commercial activities, trade, and stronger bilateral relations between our two countries, in the best spirit of ASEAN solidarity and brotherhood. For while oceans, islands, and miles divide us, we share a common humanity that unites us. And Philippine Airlines would like to help in our humble way to strengthen and deepen that unity. And so, my friends, please be our guests as we move on to greater heights, and not only bring the world to the Philippines, but bring a little bit of the Philippines and the Filipino spirit to the world. Terima kasih. Thank you, and mabuhay Malaysia.
Thank you very much, Mr. Perez Batangas. So we would like to request you to stay on stage.